You got this giant hot dog here. Come on, look at this.
Everyone told me that I had to try the vegan hot dog special at Hollywood's most famous hot dog stand. I don't sugarcoat my reviews. So if this thing is bad, you're about to find out.
I'm walking to Pink's Hot Dogs, a Hollywood institution. I haven't been to Pink's since I was like a teenager, maybe. My entire adult life, I've been vegetarian, and for the last 15 years, I've been vegan. So I never had the opportunity to go to Pink's. I just remember I used to belong to a film academy, and there was a theater across the street, and I would see movies on the weekends, and every once in a while, I'd cross the street, go to Pink's, get a hot dog. And this is me taking the bus. I was maybe 14, 15 years old, and so that was the last time I was at Pink's. It's going to be an interesting experience going to a place that I haven't been since I was 15 years old.
Wait.
We're almost there. Do you see it? Hot. Hot is flashing. They have like velvet ropes, but I guess no big line today. Maybe the hype has died down. I mean, Pink's has definitely been watered down because they actually have Pink's. I think there might be a Pink's at the airport. And I think there's a Pink's at City Walk at Universal now. This used to be the only Pink's. There'd be a line if it was 100% vegan, right? Go ahead and since 1939, I guess it was a stand. Hi. It's definitely got a vibe here. Hey, how's it going? The Shack Dog. Okay, this is it. Better balance, no soy, must be pea protein. Sauteed peppers, onions, mushrooms, tomatoes, melted vegan mozzarella cheese. The Better Balance. And Better Balance is like a hot dog company. It's a beautiful game. Okay, so we know what we're doing here. We know what we're doing. We're getting the hot dog. It's very exciting. And it's only $8. I mean, come on, man. $8 for a hot dog? You know, I mean, I'll take that. Usually the vegan options are more expensive. I mean, it looks like the Shack Dog's $10. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this. They got cool merch here. Look at this. Famous people have been here. Quentin Tarantino likes hot dogs. It's like Hall of Fame here. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How you doing, my friend?
I'm good. Can I get a Better Balanced vegan dog?
Everything on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, do I pay here or?
No, you pay after when the food comes out.
Oh, perfect. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
You pay after the food comes out, and then there seems to be a big walk of fame here. We can go ahead and look at the walk of fame. We got Tim McGraw.
Hi.
You got Flavortown. Gialado de Lorenzo. All the Food Network people have been here. Johnny Knoxville. Let's see here. Diane Warren must have had a Better Balanced dog because Diane Warren is vegan. There's no Vegan X Pod headshot here. I wonder why. Mario Lopez. One day I'll tell you my Mario Lopez story. It's interesting. Yeah, Flavortown's all over the place here. See it right here, more Flavortown. See it here, and there's more along Kim Kardashian. Okay, yeah, there's just famous people, pictures of famous people everywhere. Drew Barrymore. I mean, this place is a vibe. I mean, is the dog gonna be good? We'll find out, you know, but I mean, it's definitely it gives you an experience. You got this giant hot dog here. Come on, look at this. Look at that. That's what I call entertainment. Come on. Waiting for my dog. Let me see what's over here. I'm kind of interested in seeing the outside too. Came at a good time when no one's here. Okay, so they're really celebrating the sports. Established in 1939. Pink's. They've got a pink truck. They got a fun outdoor area. Oh, hi. People are conspicuously consuming their dogs here. They got a parking lot. Actually, it's nice. You know, very few places actually have a parking lot with space. So, well, there's no line. And I guess Pink's must own this area here too, even though it looks like an old motel or something. So yeah, so there's a lot of things going on here. The police helicopters are circling. A lot of things are happening right now. You got, oh, okay, should I do this with the face? You know, I should probably be that guy, right? Here, let me see if I can prop up my camera. No, I'll just, you know, you get the idea. Just imagine my face in there. This is good for the whole family here. The legendary Pinks. I mean, I feel like the vibes are on this place. I mean, it's definitely a fun spot. I don't know if it doesn't have any customers, but you know, hey, maybe it's just coming at an off time. Snoop Dogg was here. Big unveiling here. Is it going to be exciting? I mean, wow, look at this. It's pretty crazy. I mean, I don't know about all this sauce and cheese, but I mean, it's interesting. I think they put too much cheese in there, man. Too much this weird tapioca cheese, but we'll see. We'll see how it is. Maybe put some mustard and ketchup in it or something. I'm gonna get some mustard and ketchup on the side. Okay. If there's a breeze, this camera's falling over. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try this Better Balanced dog. I'm gonna give it a rating of 1 to 10, 10 being best, 1 being I ain't trying it again. I get a couple of shots of this. Visually, I'm kind of scared. I mean, they probably don't get a lot of vegan orders here. They threw a lot of vegan cheese on this like they were doing me a favor. But, I mean, obviously they're not doing me a favor. I'm gonna try the vegan cheese here. Double content's being created. Some kind of like almond-based tapioca mozzarella. Okay, we're just gonna try the dog. We're gonna try the dog and see what happens. Got multiple cameras running here. Okay, well that one didn't fall over. Okay, stay. Okay, got multiple cameras running. We're gonna go ahead and try to eat this. This is monstrosity. It's leaking. There's a lot of things on this. And I guess this is a Better Balanced hot dog. Better Balanced is a company that makes hot dogs. I'm gonna add some mustard to it. For all the stuff that's in it, it's pretty bland. Yeah, there's this like kind of medley of veg that's just not, it has no flavor. It needs some salt. Okay, so adding some salt and pepper. And I was looking at the other dogs and they seem to have more flavor. I don't know, I was looking at I'm talking about the omnivore dogs. This one is problematic in its construction. The hot dog itself tastes pretty good, but overall, I mean, this is just a sloppy mess. I got some sports peppers. I mean, should I grade for effort? I mean, I'll just grade for what it is. Like if you're gonna order a hot dog. I mean, I love the place, I love the vibes. I probably would order this differently, order something different, because this vegan special is kind of atrocious. I just rate this like a 4 out of 10. But I like the place. I mean, I would order something different. Maybe there's a way I could modify the hot dog and then make it a 9 out of 10 there's potential to make it, but the bun is very soggy. The veg mix is just under seasoned. The hot dog is good, nice firm, nice bite. Yeah, I just think maybe if they revamped their special, it would taste a lot better. Sorry, Pinks. Anyway, but thank you. I had a good experience coming here. Okay, let's talk about Pinks. I find it hard to believe that the most bland hot dog had to be the vegan option. I mean, maybe I should have just ordered a vegan dog and dressed it up a little bit like a regular dog, but I just ordered their vegan special. I felt like that would be something that if someone just walked down the street, they would order that. And then I was looking at the other hot dogs that they were offering, the ones that were for the omnivores. And those hot dogs looked good. They looked like they had interesting construction. They had some acid. They had some texture, little bacon bits, relish. There was actually structure and flavor that was developed in the dogs that were for the omnivores. And the vegan one is just like some kind of oddball mashup of like lunch lady vegetables and that are super bland and no like nice bright flavors, nothing spicy, just texturally everything was all the same. I mean, at least the dog had a little texture, but it was just very odd to see that the vegan option could be so bad. Why am I so critical? Anyway, please like and subscribe. I'm risking my life for this content, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.